Alright guys, so we made it out to Ecola State Park and we're gonna get ready to hike down to the Crescent Trail. I think that's what it's called. It's a pretty long little trail that takes us down to a beach, big old private beach. So we're gonna go down there and fly the drone, run the dogs around and wear them out. And so I'm gonna take you guys along our hike today to show you what it's like down here at Ecola State Park area, which is just south of Crescent Beach. So check it out and make sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the video today. And this is just one of many videos that I plan on putting together for this summer. So we got lots of adventures planned. I'm really excited to take you guys along with it. So check it out. Alright, so we just got done hiking the Crescent Trail by Ecola State Park with our friends Kyle, Alex, and Leandra. I think that's how you say her name. Sorry, Leandra, if I mispronounced it. So we're getting ready to load the car back up and go grab some food and head back to Portland. Alright, thanks.